do bani bon zen wana ye buba as in waya deriyeke. Some of you are living your best life now. Everybody from 50 something years yo who wani bon deriyeke. In your 50s you sucking at buwa. Everything you have now you will lose them. In with your bani yavier near me and we how you trouble. You walk with go house, may you not see trouble. What about the one you do for ground? Is it not evil that you call somebody your friend? You will go to use fake accounts, they bring out their information to social media. Open fake accounts and be saying trash. Some people, before they argue with person, they don't go use their fake accounts, they post things about you. Why? Why? If you don't say you rugged, then you sabi you know, say some of them believe in their voodoos. Or bono beni where yes, no level. Or boke iwu. Or your boke iwu, or bono beni when you hear bourgeois, or beg away, or your salwa. Some of them they think, no, they reason. No, future no matter to now. Listen, I have a god mom, yeah? That woman, every day they use my head to the knock her head, say, your grace too much. You need to see the way she dey rock her old age. You need to see the way she dey enjoy her old age. Because your boy will be or mafia boy her old age is sweet. She's 60. I can't even mention the things she owns in this Benin because when I mention it, they will not say I know the woman say she's close to me. Then why they are change your hours? When I waste a bit life for person head to destroy person name. In fact, I don't even think we want to talk about this forgiveness today. Make I just blast all those evil people where be say something good they come your hand. They go want come out for your hand. These are people that call you my squad, my people, my person. You should be my person for your front, but for your back, they destroy your name. For your back, they scatter things that will make you happy. Why do you guys do it? Why? What kind of barbaric act is that? And I mean, where you're saying a family problem. Once you start reaping that evil that you planted way back, you go say a family problem. When things start going wrong in your life, when you start reducing, when devil won't bring you from 100 to 0, who you are say. You're going to look for where you want to go. You're going to look for Babalawo when won't work for you. By that time, you winner. Because you don't effort where who buck money. Where till you your man you know if you remove food for person mouth, make you eat. Make you eat. You know if you remove food for person mouth, make you eat. You know if you destroy person image, make your own better for you. That's why I pity some mothers out there when you get children, when you they adult children, when you they carry like egg, you won't destroy another person's own. Really? When more when I go more this my picking God ambassador ya baba make it succeed da he go succeed da you go church carry their picture oh da but you they spread another person own all when it was all you are that your own you go destroy for your eye. Not to waste about it. Let's be guided. But when they go to they talk live sense. Why so I want fear why some of you the age that you are not supposed to be there. All I get about you where primary one, we are swag more afresh because some of you they lose your mind. You cannot destroy somebody and expect to be okay. Yes, I do. Mercy G, I do. Not people they do right from that. You've not seen any of my own. I do. You understand? You cannot pray for somebody to go down, make you go up now. Oh, not possible. That fake account thinking is so jeez. How do people do it? How do people do it? Opening fake accounts to bring people down? People you even call your friends? People you call your person? Down there? Oh, man, no, you there, no, oh, man, no, where you want it? Oh, man, no, she go, no, oh, man, what about to tell you there? For people that are not beneath here, somebody that has fed you in one way or the other, you don't chop their food. Somebody when you don't go visit for house, in one way or the other, not don't sit down together. Somebody when you don't dash you money, no matter how small. Somebody when you don't did that for you, be it physically, spiritually. You're not supposed to offend those kind of people, to be honest. No matter how they try to avoid it. It's very important. Because you cannot come out with your real account to say some certain things, you will not hide under fake accounts to spill it. You are a witch. It doesn't make one sense. That thing when you know if you come out, come talk for public. No hide under fake accounts, talk am. Swallow am. Swallow am. Some people before una quarrel, before una get issue, they don't go online, go they talk, go they excuse me. Excuse you, please. So please, let's be guided. Una when they open fake accounts, it is good when you are bullying who offend you. Who na the quarrel. If that will make you happy, say you are person they quarrel. You know if you come out, can't talk am. You won't hide under fake accounts. It's your business. But when the time come, you know, road to take fake accounts, you got me family up. Not to say na family now they do you. Not to say na friends now they do you. Now you they do yourself, because at that point, karma is dealing with you. To be honest, because I have seen so many people. So see, there are some comments you comment on my page. I will not say that you comment them. Once, I will not say that you. I will know it's you. Thank God for Facebook. You can delete, you can block, you can report, you can do a lot of things if you are bullied online. But people like us that are honorable, we cannot condescend so low to go open fake accounts. Some people, when they say, let's forgive, let's forgive, let's forgive. Forgiveness is good. What is forgiveness, first of all?